What is up, guys? As you guys can see, this is my Apple Pencil. I just recently bought this. It is compatible with the iPad Pros, the first and second gen. The new iPad that just came out a couple weeks ago, the budget one is $329, and then you got well, that's basically all it's compatible with right now. But I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Got my trusty key knife. Get that little tape right there. Did cost $99, but I am financing all this because I ain't paying full retail. I'd rather get hit with that monthly payments, because what if I die tomorrow? I'm gonna die with an Apple Pencil. So as you can see, the little animation right there, the little figure right there says stick it in your iPad, and it right here has a little tab. Pull that out real easily. You know, all these Apple products are just really simplistic and just get straight to the point. Right here you have all your like your nibs and this is to, actually I have no idea what the heck. I think that's just to charge it individually. So you put in the lightning cord there, and then you stick the other one in there so that you can charge it even if you don't have your iPad. But we'll get into that later. Here you have your Apple Pencil, magnetic right here. You see, it clicks right back. That's actually pretty nice. In terms of weight, it is a pretty hefty pencil. Like, I ain't gonna lie, this is like a nice wood pencil type of weight right here. Actually, like 2 or 3 wood pencils would. The weight is kind of heavy towards this end over here. Over here, you can't feel it as much. But it is kind of long also, so it is longer than I think it is pretty long compared to a regular pencil. But overall, I really like it. It feels good in the hands. I tried it out at the Apple Store and I really liked it. It's what drove me and my girlfriend to buy this. But yeah, so I'll put that to the side, put it back there in a little carrying case. All right, let's see what came in the little bag. So you got this little extra nibs to put it on your thing, so when it like runs down a little bit, just replace them. Just twist the old one off and put this one in. And like I said, I think that's for charging right there, and you charge it through right here. So just like that, stick it in there, and then put the other end onto another lightning cable charger. And nice click. That's a nice click, guys. So all right, so they put this like, what is it? All right, so they got the little diagrams right there, how to charge it and stuff, and you charge it with the USB cable like I told you guys. And all these other papers are just nonsense about, I don't know, you selling your soul to Apple or whatever. But it was just a nice little unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys how. I'm gonna open up a quick notes, show you guys what I think about it. Let's see. We got the iPad Pro out here. Get that open up. Open up the Notes app. Welcome to Notes. Continue. And we got the Notes app right here. Pull out the trusty pencil. See if it's. Oh, you gotta stick it into the thing first, I believe. Sorry, guys. First time doing this. I was just about to start drawing on it. So just stick it in there. Hold up. Come on, get your ass in there. Did I do it right? What the heck? I think it's in there, yeah. So now that it was in there, see if it works. All right, well, now this thing's trolling me, so. Hold up, guys. All right, so it says, let me turn this off so I don't feel like I'm touching everything on the screen. It simply says to stick this thing into that thing. Right? Am I doing it right? Oh, okay. Alright, so now I did it right. Bluetooth pairing request. Apple Pencil would like to pair with your iPad. So just simply pair. And I think that's it. So let's try it again. Alright, so I'm getting trolled now. Not really. Is this thing supposed to come off? Definitely not. Man, every single time I just be taking L on these videos. Wait, it works? Oh, okay. Alright, there we go. Only draw with Apple Pencil. Your fingers will be used for scrolling instead. You can change this setting later on notes. So, hi, my name is Black Bear. Holy crap, that almost broke my thing. Alright guys, but as you can see, that is drawing and writing on the Apple Pencil. Feels pretty good. A little clicky, a lot of glass typing like that, but I mean, if you write slowly, you'll be fine. It's just I write like a beast. I'm over here breaking the glass almost, but overall, pretty good device. I like it. $100 though, kind of expensive, but I guess that's what you get with Apple. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to get my artist persection, you know, whatever the hell it's called, my artist thinking of what I think about the pencil, my girlfriend's gonna have a video on that, and so will I, even though I suck at drawing, but I'm gonna do my best, tell you guys what I think. And without further ado, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was the Apple Pencil, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.